Hello, hi, assalamualaikum. This is Elle. Okay, I bet if you are watching my blog, you will be watching this video, or you turn to my account on YouTube, you also will be watching this video. Okay, today is Friday, 28th of Ramadan, and I'm here to wishing you all Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Maaf Selamat. To all my friends, if I ever do wrong to you guys, if I have said something unpleasantly, unexpectedly, and I didn't notice them at all, and I forgot to say I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I hope you enjoy yourself in this Aidilfitri. Now going home. If you're going home to your hometown, please drive safely. You know, tell your father to drive safely. Um, then to my beloved friends, to my girlfriends, Marusela, Yaya, Yasmin, Anin, Shaz, Shaira, sama Raya Putri. Okay, Nilani. Kita minta maaf kalau kita ada kesalahan korang. Okay. To all my Welcome Jugra friends, selamat Hari Raya Fitri. Okay, minta maaf kalau sepandang kenal ada salah terkasar bahasa yang kurang ke apa saja. Okay. Then to my Asasi friends. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, we haven't met in that during the iftar. I cannot go. Okay, I'm so sorry. And then okay, I'll be spending my refugee in my hometown in Kedah. So maybe in a week I will come back to KL. So please come to my house in KL, in Bangsa KL, and visit me. For the Duit Raya, I'm not sure about that. But then it's okay, just come. Okay, we'll see how it goes. And then to my I read I only give 3 card rayas for this year. To PLKN, to our camp, to someone, to my skinny love, and to Fiza. Okay, Fiza had received that, and I'm glad she's happy with that. And then I think that's all for this post. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Salam Aidilfitri min Adi Wafa izin.